In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert VBA code in PowerPoint. We'll start by turning on the one menu that makes all of this possible, the Developer tab. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, then go to the File menu in the top left and choose Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Customize Ribbon. On the right side, you'll see a list called Main Tabs. Find Developer, check its box, and click OK. You'll now see a new Developer tab on the ribbon. You only need to do this once on a computer, and it stays available for future projects. With the tab enabled, let's open the Visual Basic editor where your code lives. Click the Developer tab and choose Visual Basic. If you like shortcuts, you can press Alt plus F11 to jump straight there. Inside the editor, look to the panel on the left that shows your presentation's project. To add a place to write code, go to the Insert menu at the top and pick Module. A new item such as Module 1 appears in the project. That module is simply a container for your macros. Click inside the blank module and paste or type your VBA code. To test the setup, here's a tiny example you can try. Sub hello message, M is Gbox, hello from PowerPoint VBA, end sub. This macro pops up a friendly message box so you know everything is wired correctly. To run it right away from the editor, press F5 while your cursor is inside the macro. You should see the message box appear. If you prefer to run it from PowerPoint, close the editor, go to the Developer tab, click Macros, select Hello Message, and choose Run. PowerPoint may display a security warning about macros. In trusted situations, enabling content allows the code to run. Finally, save your work in the right format so the macro isn't lost. Go to File, then Save As. In the Save As type dropdown, choose PowerPoint Macro-Enabled Presentation with the .pptm extension and click Save. This format keeps your VBA code embedded with the deck. Remember, the standard .pptx format will not store macros. By following these steps, you've enabled the Developer tab, opened the editor, inserted a module, added code, run your macro, and saved the file in a macro-friendly format. That's the complete path to inserting and using VBA in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.